Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming the current antivirus name and license so you can restore settings if needed. Once done, download the new vendor installer to your desktop. This is the only way Windows will register a different provider. Make sure to pause scheduled scans and close the existing AV interface. This prevents conflicts during installation. You're getting into action immediately. Run the downloaded installer as administrator and follow on-screen prompts until the setup reaches the point where it asks about real-time protection. Now install the new antivirus and make sure you run it as administrator so drivers and services install correctly. As it sets up, allow it to register itself as the primary Windows security provider. This is why installing the software is the only reliable method to change providers. When the installer asks to enable real-time protection, do so. Windows will detect the new active AV and disable Microsoft Defender's real-time scanning. If the setup requests a reboot, restart immediately so services and drivers load in the right order. Finish by uninstalling the previous antivirus. Go to Settings Apps Installed Apps, locate the old product, and remove it. This clears leftover services and avoids conflicts. After uninstall, open Windows Security and check Virus and Threat Protection to confirm your new provider appears as the active solution. Make sure automatic updates and scheduled scans are configured. If things go wrong, Windows still shows Defender active or scan errors. Reinstall the new AV, run the vendor's cleanup utility, and reboot. That resolves most registration and driver conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.